I'm just going to show you this. Do you see this right here? This is your brake pad wear indicator, and this is what will make a little squeaking sound when your brake pads get low, so then you can avoid this happening. I had a customer give me a call and he said my brakes have gone from a squeak to a squeal to a grinding sound, and as you can see, the reason for that is the brake pad has completely worn down to the metal. Now unfortunately, we will no longer be able to reuse these brake rotors or even machine them as they are too badly damaged. So the next time you hear your brakes squeaking, don't just ignore it, as this will turn into a much bigger and more expensive problem. If you want to see the full video of how we change these brakes, jump over to the main channel and check it out.